So, common question na tinatanong sa akin, dito na natin sagutin. Ano ba yung fill grade system na yan? Okay, quick chika tayo bago ako mag-work. So, dalawa lang yung bida dito. Yung ating fiber and yung ating special tea. Okay, so morning tea muna tayo. Ito yung game changer kasi replacement siya for breakfast. Kaya ang dali mag-prolong ng fasting. Like promise, based on our experience, kahit na hindi ka sanay mag-fasting, parang ang dali lang yung 16 hours. Kaya mo siyang isustain nang hindi ka nag-worry na mahilo or magutom agad or maging dinosaur dahil sobrang gutom ka na. So, next naman is yung ating fiber. So, ito, iniinom to break your fasting. So, first meal of the day, which is lunch, iinumin mo siya. And then, sa dinner naman, iinumin mo din. So, it controls your cravings para busog feels ka pag kumakain. And yes, kakain ka pa rin ng legit na lunch and dinner. No need to deprive yourself. Like after fasting, konti pa din yung kakainin mo. No, wala pong ganun. No restriction at hindi mo kailangan magbilang ng calorie. Ang recommended sa full grade system is 16-8 intermittent fasting. So, 16 hours yung fasting mo and 8 hours yung eating window. So, pwede ka talagang kumain. Pero, with this tea, parang cheat code siya sa fasting game mo. If gusto mo mag-start ng healthy lifestyle, pero laging, saan ba magsisimula? Ito na yun. Seryoso, basic ang 16 hours kapag may ganitong support. At hindi mo mamamalayan na minsan nakaka-omad ka na pala or one meal a day ka na without planning to do so. So, yun lang. Share ko lang sa inyo. Okay, so, syempre tatanong mo din, ano ba yung tea na iniinom mo? Palagi mong pinapakita. Ito yun. So, quick spill muna tayo. So, let's talk about this specialty na sobrang next level. So, this one, it's made from purified and concentrated yerba mate extract. So, purified and concentrated means dumaan siya sa mahabang, masusing process para maging extra effective. So, ano ba yung mga bonus points ng ating specialty? So it's vegan friendly, halal, kosher, and yes, FDA approved po siya. So ngayon, ito yung fun science part. Actually, ngayon ko lang din to nalaman while doing my research. Siyempre, di ba, kailangan i-research mo ano ba yung mga ingredients nito, ano ba itong ginagawa ng specialty na to sa katawan natin. So, this tea naturally boosts your GLP-1 by 60%. So, ano ba yung GLP-1? So, ito yung gut hormone na tumutulong to control your appetite, make you feel full longer, keep your blood sugar steady. So, kung updated ka sa news, for sure, narinig mo na yung mga GLP-1 injectables na yan, di ba? Yung ginagamit for weight loss. Pero, ang daming scary side effects kasi ng injectables. At kung takot ka sa injection, huwag ka nang umasa dyan. Pero, may good news tayo. This tea is all natural. Food first approach. Walang karayom, walang synthetic vibes. Ano mo yun, yung clean, natural goodness, the same effect. It controls appetite, support weight loss, pero minus yung irreversible risk ng mga injectables. So legit, parang nature's version ng GLP-1. Pero safe, masarap, at ma-enjoy mo talaga. So, yung next star of the show naman natin ay yung ating fiber drink. Okay, so ito yon. So, this isn't your ordinary fiber. Alam ko maraming fiber sa market, but this one is advanced fiber nutrient blend na sobrang galing for your gut and sugar control. Katulad ng tea natin, vegan-friendly din siya, halal and kosher, FDA approved, and legit lahat ng check marks for clean lifestyle. So, how it works? You take yung unang fiber before meals. It slows down the absorption of glucose by up to 43%. Meaning, walang sudden glucose spike pagkatapos kumain. Ano ba yung glucose spike? Ito yung bloated ka, ito yung food coma, na parang gusto mo na lang matulog, antok ka after kumain, at ito yung after kumain, gusto mo ng matatamis, cravings, di ba? Yung panira ng diet in short. So, with fiber, mas less chance na mas stock up yung fats and mas easy i-manage yung weight mo. Parang invisible shield siya na nagpo-protect sa'yo every mealtime. Kung gusto mong kumain ng masaya pero hindi ka kinakain ng cravings mo, but you're not deprived to eat, 'di ba? This fiber is your cheat code. Ayan. So, yun lang naman ang chika natin for today's video. Ayun. Para lang to sa mga nagtatanong ha. Kung nainis ka na sa akin, pwede mo namang skip tong mga story ko at mga video ko. So, before anything else, gusto ko lang sabihin na proud ako sa'yo kung right now, nagka-calorie count ka, consistent sa gym, or doing fasting in your own way. Keep going kasi solid yung effort mo. As for me and Jadel, honestly, matagal na namin gustong simulan yung healthy lifestyle, yung weight loss, pero laging nauudlot. Pero when we found the filtrate system, dun kami nagkaroon ng push na simulan. It really helped us to get started and stay consistent. Parang finally, naging possible yung weight loss journey namin. So, kung kaya namin, kaya mo rin. The key, find the system that works for you. Doesn't have to be the same as ours. Basta something na you can sustain. Kaya mo siyang i-sustain, simulan, at ituloy-tuloy. Start now bago mo pa ma-realize na ang daming nasayang na time. Small steps lang, pero promise, future you will thank you for doing it. So, yun lang. Share ko lang.